Hey there, I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Nokia launched Asha 510 May 2013. Almost 8 years, this phone is still running, and today I'm going to review this phone. I am really like Nokia Asha 510 design. Nokia Asha 510 come with 3.0-inch touchscreen display, 240 into 320 pixel, 48.4 skin to body ratio and 133 ppi density, and this small display is very bright. So now talk about the software. Nokia 105 running Nokia platform 1.4. Nokia 01 come with single 3.15 MB camera. This camera you can take a photo and you also record video. You can record video 320 at the 15 fps, and this phone also come with 120 MB ROM and 64 MB RAM, and this is completed Java system OS. You can play some Java game, and when I am playing these types of game I am remember my childhood memory. And this phone also support Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and FM radio. And this phone is looking so nice and so cute. And this is all about this Nokia 510. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time with another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.